Carolus Linus also came up with a system of naming living organisms. The first thing he did, like I said, is classify them into 7 major groups, which we have talked about. And then the second thing he did was to give them names. He gave names to all these organisms for easy identification. Now, these names are made up of, or each organism has 2 names in quote. The first name is called the generic name. The generic name. The second is called the specific name. Now, the generic name is gotten from the genus name. Remember genus? When we're looking at the 7 major groups, is gotten from the genus name. And then the specific name is gotten from the species name. It's gotten from the species name. Now, please take note. When writing writing a generic name, begin with a capital letter. When writing the generic name, please begin with a capital letter. Also, when writing the specific name, please also begin with a small letter. You can see that on the screen is highlighted in red. Please take note of this. It's a key thing. Now, let's take a look at some examples of living organisms, their generic name and their specific name. Number 1, man. You can see that the generic name is called Homo and the specific name is called Sapiens. Now, you could see also or notice that the generic name began with a capital letter and the specific name began with a small letter. Also take a look at number 2, we have lion. The generic name of a lion is called Panthera, and then the specific name is called Leo. Hence, the name or the nomenclature of a lion is Panthera leo. Number 3 is rat. We have Rattus ratus. Number 4, we have the dog, which is called Canis domestica. Number 5, we have the housefly, which is called Musca domestica. Number 6, we have the rice, which is a plant. It is called Oryza sativa. Please take note of the capital letters in the generic name and the small letters that begins the specific name. Orange is called Citrus sinensis, and then purple is called Carica papaya. Now, moving to the next thing that Carolus Linus did was to classify living things into kingdoms.